Hi and welcome back to the channel. Miles here for PJM Collectibles, and today we're going to unbox and take a closer look at this Toyota Land Cruiser 250 by Para64. Okay, to start it off, I got this model a couple of weeks ago and I decided to unbox this one right away. And as I've said, this is from Para64 or Paragon models. This is the 250 series Toyota Land Cruiser. This is the 2024 model and it's in heritage blue. Okay, packaging itself comes in a widow box sleeve. Says Toyota official licensed product, 1/64 scale, Toyota Land Cruiser, Prado, heritage blue. Okay, nothing much, so we're going to unbox this one right away. Okay, typical Para64 model, window box sleeve. Okay, has a very good illustration of the LC 250. Okay, if you can see the images here or pictures here, okay, there are two variants for the 250 Toyota Land Cruiser, and quite evident are the headlights. Okay, you got the rectangle ones and the round ones. Okay, round ones are for North American market, while the rest of the world gets the rectangle ones. Okay, moving on to the model. Okay, model comes with an clear acrylic cover, plastic base, and now we're going to open this one up. Okay, so there you have it. Here's a closer look at the plastic base. It says Toyota Land Cruiser 250 series and a Para64 logo. Okay, model is secured on the base with a lone screw. So now I'm going to take it off. Okay, once again, I'd like to invite you to my Facebook, Instagram, okay, for more diecast pics and reels, and please do check it out. We're going to feature this more videos of this. Okay, now we're going to take a closer look at the model itself. Okay, as I've said, this is the 2024 model with the rectangular headlights. Okay, first off, model full die-cast body with some plastic parts. Okay, started off the wheels. Okay, wheels have very good design on it. It's glossy, let's say piano black finish, good design, and it's wrapped with rubber threaded tires, all four of them, also the spare tire on the rear. Okay, wheels do roll smoothly. Okay, model itself rolls smoothly. Okay, start off with the body. Okay, body is two-toned, comes in heritage blue. Okay, this model also comes out in white. Okay, as I've said, it's two-tone. Okay, this is the heritage blue, and on top is the white one, a white roof variant of this one. Okay, on the sides, panel lines do look great. Details on door levers and the fuel tank cover. Okay, very good details on the windows. Okay, clear windows with some black plastic trims, very good color separation. Okay, side mirrors are plastic. Okay, has a reflective sticker on it, very good one. Okay, moving on to the front. Okay, this is the new design of the Land Cruiser. Okay, this is 250 series. Okay, in other countries it's called the Toyota LC250 Prado. Okay, also here in the Philippines they're going to release this as the Prado Okay, 250 Prado. Okay, details on front. Okay, headlights, rectangular ones are clear, plastic inserts with details on the inside. Okay, very good. Front grills are well detailed also. That's the Toyota name in front, but this particular model has some, okay, it's really not that painted, okay, but still it's clear. Okay, license plate has a Land Cruiser marking on it. Okay, and it has a front skid plate, okay, colored silver. As for the bumpers are black in matte color. Okay, part of the mold of the die-cast body. Okay, moving on to the hood. Very good details on it, as you can see. Very good one. Moving on to the windshield. Windshield is also clear and has some details on it. Has some wipers on it. Okay, moving on to the roof. As I've mentioned, the roof came in white. Okay, with a roof rack, or rather roof rails. Okay, there's some issues here. Okay, roof rail is made out of plastic. Okay, very good details, and a shark fin antenna at the rear. Okay, and also there's some paint issues here at the back, but it's tolerable. Okay, here. Okay, the details on this part of the roof, okay, you can clearly see them because of the paint, probably because a different kind of paint was used. Still, okay, tolerable and still good. Moving on to the back. Rear windows are clear, okay, with a wiper detail included, okay, in the rear window. Okay, taillights on the rear are red colored plastic inserts. Okay, Toyota Land Cruiser license plate, the back. And for the rear bumpers, okay, colored black. The same goes with the mold of the body. Okay, and some parts of it are plastic, and good color separation here on the rear diffuser. Okay, colored silver. Okay, now moving on the inside. Okay, interiors are colored black, but there are very good details on it. Okay, all the front and the middle and the rear seats, okay, have very good details on it. I don't know if it's clear. Oh, yes, there it is. And this model is a left-hand drive model. Okay, steering wheel, it has very good details on it. Dashboard also has good details on it. Okay, too bad doesn't come in any other color. Okay, still black. Okay, moving on the bottom. Okay, plastic base with some details on it. Okay, very good details. Okay, let's turn it around. Okay, it says 1/64 scale Toyota Land Cruiser. Okay, there's the Para64 logo. Okay, front engine details, okay, are there. So as the exhaust system goes all the way to the back. Too bad the muffler is detailed but still colored black. It could have been better if it's painted silver. Okay, solid rear axles are detailed also on the bottom. Okay, for size comparison, we got another model from Para64, and this is the 70 series, okay, which we featured this a couple of months ago. Okay, here it is for size comparison. Okay, this model is kind of big compared to this one. Okay, haven't seen a real LC250 as compared to the 70 series, which we usually typically see on the roads here. And I don't know if it's true to scale, but nonetheless, okay, this one looks good. Okay, there you have it for size. Hope you guys like this. The Toyota Land Cruiser 250 Prado in Heritage Blue. Thank you for watching, and I'm going to leave this on the turntable for everyone to see, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye.